30.
So this looked like a Fordyce spot with like a mucosal surface in the sebaceous glands.
Yes, very good. Recognizing that we're on squamous mucosa is the first step. It's clear glycogenated squamous epithelium without a granule layer. And then you've got sebaceous glands in this squamous mucosa. So sebaceous glands that occur inside the mouth and the lip, or the inside of the cheek, the buccal mucosa, or on the penis or the vulva. Those are called Fordyce spots, and they're just a normal finding that are present in the vast majority of adults. Just mature sebaceous glands hanging out in those mucosal sites. And also, if you have mature sebaceous glands hanging out around the nipple, what are those called?
Montgomery tubercles.
Montgomery tubercles. Very good. Normal finding.